Can you solve this in 5 seconds? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll solve it in 2 seconds. Let's start. Welcome to the Power Rule Masterclass. This is the most important rule in calculus. Master this, and the rest of the year will be so much easier. The rule is simple. Multiply the power by the coefficient and subtract 1 from the power. Let's see 5 examples, from basic to advanced. Example 1. f of x equals 4x cubed. The power is 3, and the coefficient is 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and the power becomes 2. The answer is 12x squared. Example 2. f of x equals 1 over x squared. First, rewrite it as x to the power of negative 2. Now apply the rule. Negative 2 times x to the power of negative 3. Simplify to get negative 2 over x cubed. Example 3. f of x equals the square root of x. Convert the root to a fractional power, which is x to the 1/2. Apply the rule. 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. Simplify to get 1 over 2 root x. Example 4. A polynomial with multiple terms. f of x equals 2x to the 5th minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 10. Differentiate term by term. (2x to the 5th becomes 10x to the 4th. Negative 3x squared becomes negative 6x. 7x becomes 7. And the constant 10 becomes 0. The final answer is 10x to the 4th minus 6x plus 7. Example 5. The challenge. f of x equals 4 over 3x cubed plus the cube root of x squared. First, rewrite everything as powers. 4/3 times x to the negative 3 plus x to the 2/3. Now differentiate. Negative 3 times 4/3 is negative 4, and the power becomes negative 4. 2/3 stays, and the power becomes negative 1/3. Simplify to get negative 4 over x to the 4th plus 2 over 3 cube root of x. This combines all the skills: fractions, negative powers, and roots. Remember, the power rule is your foundation for all of calculus. And don't forget to like and subscribe to unlock the magic behind math.